In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up Teams in a standard classroom, record your class meeting, share your screen, and use the document camera. When you arrive at the instructor station, turn on the projector by pressing the Display On button. Then, log on to the computer using your UNCG credentials and open any course materials that you may need for the class. You can open Teams by clicking the Start button, typing Teams and selecting it from the Start menu. Enter your UNCG email and confirm your identity using the Authenticator app to sign in. The next time you open Teams in this classroom, it should remember your login information. If you have not yet scheduled the class meeting, please take a look at our Getting Started with Teams video to learn more about how to schedule your class meetings using the Canvas integration. We will provide a link in the description so that you can find it easily. If you have already scheduled your class meeting, you can click the Calendar tab in the left-hand rail, select it from your calendar, and click the Join button to start the meeting. After clicking the Join button, the meeting window will appear with a preview of your meeting settings. If you do not see video from the classroom camera, click the camera slider to enable it and click the Join Now button. Once you have entered the meeting, you can check to ensure that your audio is transmitting properly by clicking the drop-down arrow next to the mic button at the top of the window. The microphone level indicator should move when you are speaking. Some spaces may have more than one microphone, so select another microphone if you do not see the indicator move when you are speaking. During the meeting, you can click the camera button to disable the camera and the mic button to mute the microphone. Now that you are sure that your audio and video are being transmitted to the students online, you are ready to begin. At the top of the meeting window, you should see a familiar set of meeting options where you can find the chat, see the people in the class meeting, or change your meeting view. If you would like to record this class meeting, you'll find the recording options in the More menu. To begin recording, click the More button, select Record and Transcribe, then select Start Recording. You can confirm that the meeting is being recorded by looking at the top left corner of the window for the recording indicator. At the end of class, when you'd like to end the recording, click the More button again, select Record and Transcribe, and then click Stop Recording. If you'd like to share your screen or an application on the computer, you can click the Share button to find these options. Simply select Screen to begin sharing your screen, or click Window and select an open application to only share a particular window with the class. While you are sharing, a small meeting preview window will display up to 4 people in the meeting so that you can continue to see the students in your class. Students that speak or raise their hand will go to the top of the window so that you can see who is speaking or has a question. A toolbar will also appear at the top of your screen that contains some important features. You can mute and unmute your audio and video. If you're sharing an application with sound or video, you can also find the Share Sound button that will allow students to hear the sound from your computer, and the Optimize for Video button that will increase the clarity of the videos you share. Your students will not be able to see the meeting preview window or the toolbar, so you can drag these to any part of the screen that you like. When you would like to stop sharing, there is a button that you can click to stop sharing in both locations. Click Stop Sharing to return to the main meeting. To share any hands-on material with the class, you can use the document camera. Turn it on using the power button and extend the arm above the items you'd like to share. On the computer, click the Start button, then type Camera to find the camera app and click it to launch the program. You should see video from the document camera, but if you don't, click the Change Camera button in the top right corner of the window to select it. Just like we shared a window before, we're going to click the Share button. Then select Window and click Camera to share your hands-on material with the remote students. If you'd like to save a photo from the document camera to share with the students after class, you can click the Camera button to change the app from video to photo mode, and then click the Take Photo button to take a photo. All the photos that you save this way are stored in the Camera Roll folder on the computer. You can access them quickly by clicking the Start button, typing Camera Roll, and clicking the Camera Roll folder. When you are done using the document camera, click Stop Sharing to stop in the toolbar or the meeting preview window. If you have any questions about how to use the technology in your classroom, or if you'd like more information on how to use Teams in your course, you can arrange a consultation with ITS Learning Technology, and we'll be glad to help.